morning. Today we will continue with chapter 10, solution triangle, and we will going to discuss about cosine rule. So what is cosine rule? So we have triangle ABC here, the same as what you learned in sine rule. So for angle A, the opposite side is A, and angle B, the opposite side is B, and angle C, the opposite side is C. So if you want to start with angle A, cos A, so you have to start with the opposite side, that is A square equal to the other two sides, sum of the other two sides, that is B square plus C square minus again the same side 2BC cos A. Same goes for angle B. You want to find angle B, or you want to use angle B, cos B. So you start with the opposite side, that is B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Same goes for angle C. You start with C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Now we look how to verify the cosine rule. So how we want to construct this cosine rule. So you have triangle ABC. You can refer your textbook at page 252. So as usual, this is angle A, so the opposite side will be A. Angle B, the opposite side will be B. Angle C, the opposite side will be C. And this triangle, we have a height, so when we draw the height of this triangle can be divided into two parts. That means two right angle triangle, that is ACD and ABD. So now, by using Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ACD, this right angle triangle ACD, so the longest side is B square equal to H square plus, so now we label it BD as X. If BD as X, the whole thing BC was A just now. BC was A, and this part is X. So CD here will become A minus X. So that's why you get B square equal to H square plus A minus X square. Then you expand A minus X square, you will get A square minus 2AX plus X square. So this is first equation. Then by using the second right angle triangle ABD, so same thing, we use Pythagoras theorem. So the longest side is C square equal to H square plus X square. So for this equation, we find what is our H square. Why? Because for the first equation, we have H square. We want to eliminate this H square. We don't want H in our cosine rule. So for that reason, we find what is our H square. That is H square equals to C square minus X square. That means this X square we bring to the other side. So becomes minus X square. So after we find our subject becomes H square, we substitute into the first equation. That means substitute the second equation into the first equation. So will become B square equal to H square, we substitute with C square minus X square plus A square minus 2AX plus X square. So X square and X square can be cancel. So left is b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ax. So now I don't want my x here. So I want to find what is my x. So cosine, since cosine rule, so we can use this triangle ABD, and since this is a right angle triangle, we use the concept of trigonometry, that is cosine is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So now we can use for cos B, because x is the adjacent for angle B. So cos B equal to adjacent x over c. So from here we can find what is our x. Our x is equal to c times with cos B. So we substitute x equal to c cos B into this third equation. So we can eliminate our x. So we will get b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ac cos B. So this equation is one of the formula of cosine rule. So try to verify the cosine rule for obtuse angle triangle. So you can try and later on. Next, we go to next part, solving triangles involving the cosine rule. So example 7, you can refer your textbook at page 252. In the triangle ABC, AC equal to 21 cm, BC equal to 15 cm, and angle C equal to 35 degree. Find the length of AB. So the best part, you can sketch the triangle. This is triangle ABC. AC is 21, BC 15, and angle C is 35. So how to find length AB? AB, we label it as X. So AB is the opposite side of angle 35. So you can use cosine rule. This x square will be equal to 15 square plus 21 square minus 2 times 15 times 21 times with cos 35. So 15 square is 225 plus 21 square is 441. 2 times 15 times 21 is 630 cos 35. So you solve this. So you will get 149.9342. So this, since this is x square, we square it. You will get the answer 12.245. Next, we look example 8. You can refer your textbook at page 253. The diagram on the right shows a triangle JKL with the length JK is 30, KL is 25, and JL is 35. So it's already the length, the side, the value of the sides already labeled for you. So now we want to find the value of angle KJL. So the angle is at J, KJL. So you want to find this angle, always we start with the opposite side, that is 25. So 25 square equal to 30 square plus 35 square minus 2 times 30 times 35 cos KJL. So you want to find, you can bring 30 square and 35 square, or like this, you can do like this. you can bring this whole thing 2 times 30 times 35 cos kjl to the other side. That means you will get 2 times weight 30 times weight 35 times weight cos. So you have to write kjl. I make it shorter. I write cos j equal. That means this thing you bring to the other side, and 25 square you bring to the right. Okay, you bring to the right. That means you will get 30 square plus 35 square minus 25 square. So next you will get this answer. That means you bring 2 times 30 times weight 35 to the right, so becomes divide. Okay, divide or divisible by 2 times 30 times 35. So then you solve this, you calculate, you will get 0.7143. 0.7143 is the value of cosine. So you use your calculator, you press shift cos, so you will get the answer for angle KJL, that is 44.41 degree. Next, example 9, same page. In the diagram on the right, QST and PSR are straight lines. So you have QST, PSR straight lines, and they already label a few sides for you. Find the length of QR. You want to find the length of QR. Okay, what you must do first. So first we look what we know from this diagram. We know the angle PT. We know that this is 6, and you can see this sign means if PS 6, ST also 6. Okay, both are 6. So from here, you can find the angle PST. Why we want to find the angle PST? Okay, if you will find PST, it will be easy, or it's the first step to find our QR. That means since we use the concept of straight line, if you find the angle PST, it will same as the angle RSQ. Okay, both are same. They are opposite angles. So both angles will have the same value. These two. So you want to find this PST. We start with the opposite side. 9. 9 square equal to 6 square plus 6 square minus 2 times 6 times 6 cos PST. So you will you calculate, you solve this like example 8. So you will get the answer negative 0.1250. Negative cos. So since this is a triangle, the angles either will be in first quadrant or second quadrant. So now you get the value is negative, so that means cos is in second quadrant. For second quadrant, you must know how to find the angle in second quadrant. That is, we take 180 minus the reference angle. Okay, or you can straight away you can press into your calculator, shift cos the value given, you press in negative. Okay, shift cos negative 0.1250. So you will get the answer 97.18. Or if you use shift cos, you use the positive value 0.1250. You have to minus 180 minus with the angle that you get. So, but in your calculator, you can just press shift cos negative 0.1250. You can straight away get answer for second quadrant in your calculator. That is 97.18. You can try now. Then from there, PST, the opposite angle also will be 97.18. That means RSQ. So now we want to find RQ, that is the opposite side of this angle. So we start with, okay, here they use QR square equal to the other two sides, 4 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 4 times 10 cos 97.18. So you solve, you get 125.999. This is for QR square. So you want to find QR, you square it, you get 11.225. So please answer self-practice 9.5 at page 253 and 254. So that's all. So thanks for watching.